Ayan. Okay. Sige, tara, start tayo. Sige. Um, teka. Yan. Teka. Sorry. Yan. Okay. Present now a window. Okay. Let's start Ready na? Okay. Sige. Um, Hello. Welcome ulit. Today we're going to study chemistry and in particular the equilibrium state. Nasa ano na tayo? Nasa second to third quarter na tayo ng chem. And this is one of the even more difficult na lesson. Sana ma-master nyo to kasi yung susunod, which is acids and bases, meron ding equilibrium. So, yung susunod natin lesson is just an extension of this. So, sana ma-master nyo talaga. Okay? Sige. Before we start, let's start na. Chemical equilibrium yung ating lesson today. So, first, let's start with the equilibrium state. Chemical equilibrium, kung yung kinetics ay study ng rate of a reaction, ito naman, kung hanggang saan hindi naman nagtatapos, kung hanggang saan yung reaction. Moreover, study na reaction after a long time, bale. Yun ang chemical equilibrium. Kasi, at equilibrium, concentrations of reactants and products attain certain values that no longer change. Ano yung sabihin nun? We'll look more into that in a while. Mag-next slide. Ayun. So, by the way, if you don't know, all reactions are actually reversible. Dati kasi, di ba, puro to the right lang yung mga reaction natin from reactants to products. But what we don't know is reactions also go reverse from products to reactants. Kasi, all reactions need to be stable. And that only happens pag nasa equilibrium sila. And ito yung sabihin ng equilibrium. Reactant and product concentrations are constant because a change in one direction is balanced by a change in the other. Kaya sila reversible. Until nagiging equal sila. Rate forward equals rate reverse. So, we'll see more in a while. So, example, ito. Itong si N2O4, yung colorless. Itong colorless. Yan, colorless yung mga ganyan, yung mga white. Yan, di ba, nagpo-proceed yung reaction. Habang nagko-convert into NO2, the reaction becomes pale brown. Ayan. Then, na-reach niya na yung equilibrium. After this, mas mag-deepen pa, syempre, kasi mas magre-react. Kaya lang, pag di sobrang dark na, max na yun. Bawal na mas maging dark kaysa doon. Sabihin nun, equilibrium na. So, what happens after equilibrium? The reaction continues in both directions and yung color ng NO2 tsaka N2O4, hindi na siya change. Ayan, no? Kitang-kita naman. From here to here, after a specific amount of time, kitang-kita natin na pareho yung color. So, it means na, quote-unquote, max na yung na-reach ng reaction. Then, moreover, di ba sabi ko sa rate law, bawal na kunin from the balanced chemical reaction yung coefficient. Pero dito sa equilibrium, pwede yon kasi we'll be dealing mostly with elementary steps. Ibig sabihin ng elementary step, basic steps, no? Sila yung pinaka-fundamental. Kasi tulad sa Hess's law, kung nakita nyo, di ba yung overall reaction, bago siya maging overall, marami siyang mga na unang process, ganon. We'll be dealing with yung mga naunang process na ito, which are called elementary steps. So, according to Chem, pwede na natin isulat yung rate law based on the balanced equation. Yan. K forward, kasi forward, K times N2O4 raised to 1 equals K reverse ng NO2 squared. At equilibrium, take note equilibrium concentration. Yan. If we take the ratio of this, we'll get to that. And, ayan, just an illustration. Ito yung sabihin nun. See? Um, yan. Ito yung, sorry, nawala ako. Bakit ba? Sorry. Okay. Here, see, NO2 product, N2O4 reactant, at sometime, they don't change anymore. So, ibig sabihin yan. See, when, after a specific time, magiging equal na sila, yung rate, forward and backward. Pag ganon, equal na yung rates natin and therefore equilibrium is achieved. Tapos itong ratio ng products to reactants, ayan, kasi products to, itong reactants, no? Can be expressed, and their rate can be expressed as K, which is our equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant yung tawag sa K. A number equal to a particular ratio of equilibrium concentrations of products and reactants at a particular temperature. So, kapag small yung K, example, sobrang liit ng K, ibig sabihin nun, di ba? Ibig sabihin, sobrang laki nung, kasi product to, di ba? Product to. Reactant to. Sobrang laki nung reactant natin sa equilibrium. Take note, sa equilibrium, hindi ibig sabihin nun, equal yung concentration ng products and reactants. Ang equal lang ay yung rate, no? Yung rate natin. Okay? At intermediate K, significant amount. So, ibig sabihin, balance lang are present at equilibrium. And large K, kapag large yung K, ibig sabihin, sobrang laki ng product concentration natin at equilibrium. Okay? So, yan, just an illustration. At equilibrium, itong mga to, at equilibrium. Ayan, kita naman, small k, super konti ng products, pero equilibrium na yan. Big K, super laki ng products, at super liit ng reactant. So, ayan. Then, intermediate K, halos pareho lang. So, now we move on to the next part of our lesson, reaction quotients. So, for a general reaction where A, B, C, D are coefficients of the balance equation, then yung Q ay ganito. So, bale, C raised to C, D raised to D over A raised to A, B raised to B. Okay? Kaya lang, as we'll see later, yung K ay special value ng Q. Ang K ay ang quotient reaction at equilibrium. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So, pareho lang sila. Law of chemical equilibrium. At a given temperature, as a chemical system reaches a state in which a particular ratio of reactant and product concentrations has a constant value. So, yun lang yung kanina. Ayan. Quotient reactions. Q is used to determine if the reaction is complete. Sabi ko ngayong term kapag hindi nag-change yung concentration. At equilibrium, sabi ko nga, Q is equal to K. Reaction quotient is the equilibrium constant at equilibrium. So yan, see, for this one, example, at the start, ganito yung mga concentration, then at the equilibrium, di ba? Hindi sila pare-pareho. Basta, they reach this ratio of they reach this ratio of products and reactants. Ibig sabihin, at equilibrium na sila. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Ngayon, paano kapag kasi kung napansin natin sa mga ginagawa natin, puro gas, di ba? Puro gas. Kaya paano pag may solid tayo? Paano pag may solid? Okay. Take note, this one is before the reaction and this one is after. Kung napansin natin, nabawasan ba to? Hindi, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, walang effect technically ang solid sa reaction. Quote and quote lang lahat yun, So, di ba, ang quotient reaction nito ay dapat ganito. Kasi, uh, solid, CEO raised to 1, CO2 raised to 1 over CaCO3 raised to 1. Kaya lang, dahil nga hindi nag-matter solid, we emit that, ginagawa na natin 1 yung kanyang concentration kasi nga wala siyang effect. I don't know why, basta ganun daw ang convention. Sa internet din, wala rin nakasulat. Cancel lang natin yon, we'll get only this. Ito lang yung nag-determine na reaction quotient. Gets ba guys, before I continue? Nagets naman? Lahat yon. Okay naman? Guys, gets ba? Before I continue. Parang tahimik yata kayo. Dali, gets ba guys? Before I continue.
So, sir, ibig sabihin nun hindi nagbabago yung concentration ng solid? O ano po?
Hindi, technically, hindi siya nagbabago, pero, ano ba? Okay, nagbabago rin, pero, wala siyang, how do I say this? Babalikan kita. Okay, babalikan kita. Sige, babalikan kita. Sorry. Mamaya.
Si
Basta kapag pure solid or liquid, example, pag may nakita kayong state na S o kaya L, hindi siya sinasama sa quotient reaction. Basta hindi siya sinasama doon. Okay? So, ano pala yung units ng Q and K? Unitless siya. Kasi, it's a ratio. Yun lang. Simple as that. Okay? Ratio kasi yung Q and K, no? So, wala siyang unit. Pure solids and liquids are disregarded, sabi ko. So, example, express the quotient reaction of the, reaction quotient pala, of the following chemical reactions. Okay, so first of all, tignan muna natin kung balanced siya. Hindi, di ba? So, balance, ayan. Then we take Q, lahat naman sila gas. So, NO2 raised to 4 times O2 over N2O5. Ito naman, Q for an overall reaction. For a reaction made of multiple steps, ito siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan. So, example ito. Let me show you na. I will use the whiteboard. Tingnan nyo na lang yung question, ha. So, sabihin natin ganito. N2, overall, N2, G, plus O2, G, reversible, 2NO2, G, N2O2, NO, N2 plus O2 forms 2NO, 2NO plus O2 forms 2NO2. Okay. Naalala pa yung Hess's law, guys? Naalala pa yon? Oo naman, di ba? Sana. Naalala pa yon? Yung dati? Yung una nating lesson? Di ba parang nag-a-add tayo tapos nagka-cancel? Ganun lang din yun dito, di ba? Kapag inad natin to, cancel na to. Right? So yan, N2 ano yung reaction quotient nito? Ang reaction quotient nito ay NO squared over N2 times O2. Kaya lang, di ba sabi sa formula kanina, i-multiply lang natin itong dalawa. Sige nga, let's try. Ito, ang reaction quotient is NO squared over N2 times O2. Ito, ang reaction quotient nito ay NO2 squared over NO squared times O2. Ay, may di ako ng kopya. 2 pala to. 2. Ayan, dapat squared yan. So, tingnan natin See, if we... Ayan, if we multiply this, di ba, multiply natin itong dalawa. Di ba magka-cancel to? Ayan, no? Cancel. Tapos we'll be left with this. NO squared over N2 times O2. Yun lang. O2 squared. Ayan. See? Ayan, yun ang reaction quotient natin for an overall reaction. Okay? Ayan. Paano naman kapag forward and reverse reaction? Sige, let's see Ayan, QC forward is that. Pag binaliktad natin, eto lalabas, di ba? See? Ayan. So, sorry, balik ko muna Isa pa. So, yan, sabi ko, yan yung overall. So, overall is the product of the reaction quotients of each of the steps. So, for a forward and reverse reaction naman, yan. QC forward is this. QC reverse is just the reciprocal, di ba? Galing, no? So, yun lang. Kaya this holds true, okay? Paano pag may common factor? Example, eto, di ba? Yan muna. Example, yan muna. Pansin nyo, ano yung quotient reaction dito? Di ba? It's just 1/2. SO3 over SO2 times 1/2 O2. Pero in fact, ano lang yan? Di ba, nag-multiply ako na 1/2 lang to this? Ayan. So, this is the overall table. And in short, let's look at the board. In short, diba, just to go back, for reaction quotient, for a general equation, a raised to a plus b raised to b forms c raised to c plus d raised to d. Tapos, example, nag-multiply ako ng common factor. Ang reaction quotient natin equals to c raised to c, d raised to d over a raised to a over b raised to b. Kaya lang, dahil nag-multiply tayo na n sa labas, raised to n. And kapag naman at equilibrium constant yung hinahanap ko, pareho lang. We just need to take the equilibrium. We'll see naman later on how to solve those. Okay? Sige, let's start with our exercises. Yan, this is the table. Ayan. Sige. Can you, show me lang sa group chat, the same as before. Then, how do we determine if a reaction is homogeneous or heterogeneous? Homogeneous kapag pare-pareho ng composition ng reaction. Example, puro gas, puro liquid, puro solid. Homogeneous yun. Pag heterogeneous, maraming klase. Solid, liquid, aqueous, gas. Tulad nito, this is a heterogeneous reaction. Okay. Sige. Send lang your picture sa group chat. Okay? Sige, let's go. 1 minute lang. Oh, sige guys. Do you have an answer na? June 26 to July 3, 2020. Hindi pala siya balanced. Okay. Ayan, tama. This is correct. Good job. Okay, sige. Clarification. Ang aqueous, hindi siya ang aqueous, di ba merong dyan aqueous state. Pag aqueous, have you heard the term before? Aqueous solution? Hindi pa. Or di niya pa discuss yun ever sa chem? Hindi pa ba?
Sir, na-discuss na po.
Na-discuss. Okay, pag aqueous kasi, hindi siya pure liquid. Bakit? Kasi meron kang ions doon, no? Most of the time. Meron kang ions na nagdi-dissociate doon. So kapag, sulat ko na dito, kapag liquid or solid, disregard. Pag aqueous or gas, include in quotient. Yan. Okay. Sige, go. Yung iba, na lang. Sige, iba, follow up na lang. Thank you. Hindi ko pala na-clarify yun. I'm sorry. Okay. Basta mag-aqueous kasama siya. Dali, how about yung others? Tara. Let's discuss. Sige na. We have a lot to discuss pa. So, yan. Balance the chemical reaction and we'll get this. Right? So, NaOH squared times H2 over Na squared. Oops! Teka lang. Ba't ganito? Wait. Mali ito ah. Teka. Wait lang. I'm sorry ah. Teka lang. Mali ito. Teka. Mali ka mo. I'm sorry. Teka ah. Let me check my reference lang. Ito. Wait lang. Let's see. I'm sorry. Teka.
Sir,
Kapag...
cancel out po ata yung tubig kasi yung may aqueous sa kabilang side, so may tubig din doon.
Hindi. Basta kapag kapag solid or liquid, di siya kasama. Kahit solid siya or liquid. So, yung nasa denominator, dapat wala yan. I'm sorry. Ako rin ako. Teka. Let's see ah. Tingnan ko lang yung sample ah. Ba't ganon? Oh, tama. Mali ako. Sorry. update ko na ngayon. Teka ha. Hindi ko hindi magana yung office ko. Ayan, tanggal to. I'm sorry. Sorry. Yan mo kapag solid or liquid, wala yan. Okay? So yan, wala to. Ganyan dapat. I'm sorry. Sige, next. Ayan, ito. Konting bilis, guys. 1 minute lang. Let's see, Ayan, buti na lang you're checking if the equations are balanced. CO2 cube, H2O to the fourth, C3H8O to the... Tama ito. Good job. Tama ito. Yung iba, please, if hindi nyo gets, or if meron na dito, please, pakisabi na sa akin ngayon, ha? Para we can address it. Mas mahirap yung mga mamaya. Okay, tama. Yung iba. Anong klaseng reaction yan, guys? Yes, homogeneous. Kasi, pare-pareho sila ng state of matter. Okay? Sige, iba. I want to see. Yan. Okay? Sige, that's correct. Sige. Okay. Sige, that's correct. Okay, good job. That's correct. Okay, gets nyo naman. Kapag binalance natin, this is what we would get. And dahil pare-pareho sila ng state, ito dapat. Okay? Ito. Sige. I want to test you. Go. Ito. Medyo mahaba. Pero madali lang to. Ayan, nakabalance na pala yung equation for you. That's good. Teka ha. Ano ba yung answer key ko? Yes. This is correct. Sige, yung others, follow up na lang. Let's drink water, guys, ha? Sige, in 1 minute, send all your answers na lang. Thank you. Okay na, guys? Ayun na, bilis. Okay. Mhm. Sige guys, sa mga next ano natin, yung mga next nating ano, you don't have to show me yung solution na kahit answer lang talaga, it's fine. Okay. Sige, let's discuss. Ito na yan. O letter A, 'di ba? If mapansin natin, yung mga lahat ng ano niya, lahat ng yung buong equation, multiply by 1/3, right? So, we just take the cube root of our reaction constant, then we're supposed to get cube root ng cube root ng uh, 2.4 times 10 to the negative 3. Yan, 0.13. And yung letter B, binaliktad siya ng isang beses, tapos nag-multiply ng 1/2. So, if we get that, that's 20. Okay, sige, good job. Ito, last one. Sige, let's say, ano oras na ba? I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this. Okay? Sige, go. Answer lang, kahit answer lang. Sige, let's see. Um, Teka, hindi ko pa ito nasasagutan. 1 over k1 squared times k2. Let's see. Squared times 1 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay. Tama. Tama ito. Good job. Bilis. Bilis ni mo. Okay, sige, go. Diba? Kailangan, bago tayo mag-move on, kailangan lahat kayo masagutan to. Kasi this is a crucial part. If nasagutan nyo to, it means na you get the concept na. Ay, shucks. Sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Ah, teka ha. Medyo namatay yung browser ko. Go lang, send away. Parang ha. Pero, all of you are correct as of now. Good job. Okay, good job. Means it seems naman na gets nyo na. Sige, pero let's take a short look before we continue sa most important part ng lesson natin today. Let's see So, parang, if you remember Hess's law, di ba? We manipulate the equations first before we do the final thing. So, ano kailangan gawin? Dito si O2, 2, kaya pala 2O2. nandito si O2, so kailangan kong i-reverse to. Tapos, times 2. So, ngayon, 1 over K1 squared times K2. If we do this, it's 4.77 something times 10 to the 10 to the 13. Yan. There we go. Good job. Pag sig figs, 4.8 lang. Okay, good job. Ngayon, we move on to the next part of our lesson. KC and KP. Take note, KP. Equilibrium gases. So, sa gas, syempre, mas madaling mag-measure ng pressure kaysa concentration, di ba? But posible yon? Kasi, if you remember ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. So, pag ang N over V, di ba naalala niyo yung lesson ko sa inyo about concentration? Ang N over V is equal to molar. Moles per volume solution, di ba? If you remember. So, MRT. So, at constant T, pressure is directly proportional to molar concentration. So, kaya pwede natin gawin yon. Ba't ganon? So, ano yung conversion factor? Ito. Delta N gas. QC times RT raised to delta N gas. Anong sabihin ng delta N gas? We'll see later. R is the, yung ginagamit kapag nag-stoic or sa ideal gas law, no? 0.08206 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Okay? Sige. Next. Let's see, ito. QP. QP, instead na concentration, P, pressure. Ito, ba't naging ganito? Kasi, wait lang kasi, if you look at the board, sige let's do a bit of investigation. Diba, diba 2NO plus O2 forms this. Pag QP, it's this. Ito, di ba, NP equals MRT, di ba? MRT. NO2 PV equals nRT. So, teka, ba't ganito? QC. Okay, sige. Teka kasi, pag QC, tinignan natin yung QC, Diba? Okay, alam ko na. Yan. Let's just leave this here for now. Okay? Let's look at QC. Diba? It's equal to NO2 squared over NO squared times O2. Diba? Tapos, let's convert it in terms of pressure, no? Sige, nRT, PV equals nRT, di ba? Ang M, molar, N over V equals P over RT. Ayan. So, there you go. P squared, PNO2 over RT squared over PNO over RT squared times PO2 over RT. If we simplify it, become like this. P squared NO2 over PNO squared times PO2. Which is this QP times, tas pag simplify natin, RT yung matitira. Yan. Kaya magiging ganon. Okay? So there we go. Then that's how to convert it. QP equals QC times RT raised to -1. So, if we see, di ba, look at the PowerPoint closely. Delta N gas is number of moles. Moles ha, ito. Moles. So, sabihin niya coefficient. Moles ng reactant minus moles ng product minus moles ng reactant. So, it's 2 minus 3, negative 1. Ayan, same formula lang. Right? Ayan. Kaya ito yung ginagamit natin, no? Kaya ayan, kaya totoo yan. Okay? Sige nga, convert from KC to convert from KP to KC. Ito yung formula. Ayan. Sige. I'm going to post a formula, teka.
Sir, ano po yung value ng R?
Type ko na lang 0.082 dito sa 0.08206 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Yan. Kakaiba parati yung no? Yung isang lesson 8.314 yan. Let's see. 6 times 10 to the unit tama. This is good. Congrats. This is correct.
Okay.
Sige, go lang, continue. Kasi sa next few minutes, we'll be dealing with all of that. Sige. Okay. Sige. Let's wait for Manuel.
Minus 1 plus
Sige. Okay, sige, let's go. Good job. Hindi ko na di-discuss yan. Kasi nakuha niyo naman lahat. Okay? Good job. Ito isa lang. Ngayon, ano yung implications ng Q and K? It actually determines kung saan saan papunta yung reaction. So, let's see Siyempre, kapag dinagdagan natin yung product sa reaction natin, siyempre, mas laki yung Q. At kapag naman reactant, mas maliit yung Q. Kaya lang, if we see, yung ratio ng products and reactants natin must strive to become equal to K, our equilibrium constant. So, ano yung sabihin yan? Okay, balik tayo dito If Q is less than K, ibig sabihin yan, ibig sabihin yan, sobrang dami ng reactant, mas konti yung product. I hope you can imagine, I hope you can imagine. So, therefore, dapat ang mangyari, um, dapat, dapat mabawasan to, pero mabagdagdagan to. Right? Kaya, ang reaction direction is towards the products, no? Para tumaas ito. Okay? Baliktad na lang dito. Kapag mas malaki si Q kaysa kay K, mas malaki yung product kaysa sa reactant concentration sobra. So, dapat bumawas to, dumagdag to, para mas maging equal sa K. Kaya magpo-progress towards reactants. Okay? I hope you got that. Dati, when I was studying this, medyo nahirapan din ako. Pero, yung imagination lang of what's happening really helped me. Okay, sige. Ito. Last na to. Then we'll go to the solving equilibrium problems na. Samang-tama, sakto sa oras. Sige, I'll give you 2 minutes only. What is the value of Q? Get the value of Q. Tapos determine if it's in equilibrium. If it's not, saan siya papunta? Okay? Sige, go. 2 minutes lang. Okay. Meron pang tanong mo. Besides from that. Okay, good job. Tamang-tama. A simpler term for that is products are okay, sige, mamaya na. Meron pang yung sa direction. Okay, tama ito. Sige. For the direction, you can either state no. Ito, you can either, okay lang din, you can either state going forward or reverse, or kaya going to the right or to the left. Yan, okay lang yan. Wala lang, pag natamad ka na magsulat. Okay. Ayan, perfect. Mhm. Sige. Go yung iba. Um, para ano tayo. Kasi itong next part, kailangan master nyo na yung mga pinag-usapan natin kanina. So this is going to be complicated ng konti. Okay. Sige. May calcu kayo guys ha? Like cycle. Oh, meron naman nagpipicture nga kayo ng cycle eh. Okay, sige. Um, I won't discuss, sige, I'll discuss a bit. Ang Q natin is NO2 squared over N2O4. You have your quotient, you have your concentrations there. We'll get the QC equals 2.5. It's greater than K, obviously. Therefore, it's progressing towards the left. Okay, good job. Ngayon, we're going to start with this. Finding equilibrium quantities. Ito na. So, just listen to me. I'll start with this muna. Any steps? Establish the quotient reaction. So, sulat niyo muna yung quotient reaction. If applicable, compare QC and KC. And lastly, create an ice table. Ano yun? And lastly, solve for the required quantities. So, okay. Step 1. I'll be using the board from now on. So, I hope na you know how to switch between yung PowerPoint and yung board once in a while. Okay, sige, I'm going to use the board from now on. Sige, let's see. Equal amounts of gaseous hydrogen and iodine are injected into a 1.5 liter flask at a fixed temperature. In time, the following equilibrium is attained. Ayan, may mga moles. Calculate Kc and Kp. Sige, eto na. Step 1, determine the reaction quotient. So, Qc equals to Hi squared over H2 times I2. Lalam, para hindi nyo na manimutan, no? Next, I stable. Ano yun? Ito. Pag tayo na mag-solve in the next questions, I need to require you to always give me something like this, ha? I stable. Ano yan? Initial. Initial change, and equilibrium. Pero ice stable lang yan. Next, sa ice stable ganito. 'Di ba? 'Di ba yan? H2 I2 2HI. I hope nababasa nyo naman, no? Nababasa nyo dapat yan. Okay. Initial is this. So, initial. Ano yung given? Initial. For H2, meron tayo 1.8 molar, no? Teka, let's see Wait lang. Teka lang guys I'm sorry. Wait. For a while. 1 minute. Teka. I'm sorry. Okay, sige. Sige, let's do this pa rin. No? Ang given sa'yo ay... Okay, ang given sa'yo ay equilibrium na. No? Equilibrium na. Tama? So, disregard na natin to kasi wala na yan. Hindi na importante yan. Hindi na importante yan. Hindi na importante yan. Okay? What matters is this. Kasi ito lang yung meron tayo. So, at equilibrium, take note ha, mole ang binigay. So, kailangan ko i-convert to molar for the concentration. No? I2 is 1.8. 1.5 liters kasi yun na yung binigay na volume. Gas yan. So, lahat sila pero ng volume, technically. Kasi ito, 0.520. So, yan. At equilibrium. So, meron na tayong Kc. Kasi, ang Kc is the QC at equilibrium. QC equals to, ito. Substitute natin lahat to. So, over, ito. Teka ha. Let me just calculate. HI squared. 0.520 minus 1.5. Ay, 0.520 divided by 1.5. 0.347 squared over 1.8 divided by 1.5. So, 1.2, 1.2. If we get that, we should be able to attain this. 8.36 times 10 to the negative 2. Then, convert to Kp. Take note, Kp, delta N gas, di ba? Delta N gas. May nagbago ba sa molar ng gas? 2. 1, 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, walang effect. Ito na rin yun. Nagets ba, guys? Nagets ba? Tapos ka na, tapos ka na yung, tapos ka na yung item. Kala ko nandito kayo. Ano ba? Okay, sorry. Teka, ulitin natin ha. Sorry. Isa pa. Ulitin natin. Ano ba yan? Okay, sige. Oh. Sorry talaga guys. Sorry talaga. Okay, isa pa ha. Okay, sige. Okay, game. Isa pa. Ha? Ito, di ba? Kita nyo naman yung item. Sige, let's start again, ha? So, ito yung sabihin na ice table. Ice table, initial, change, equilibrium. Kapag nagsulat kayo, ganyan lang. Ice. Next, sulat natin lahat ng mga reactants dito, H2 and I2. Tapos nandito yung product sa kabila, no? Next, next is, ito. Given na sa ating equilibrium, di ba? So, we don't care about this na. Lagyan na natin na X. Okay? At equilibrium, given na yung mole, yung number of moles. So, it means that we just have to convert to molar kasi concentration na hanap natin eh. So, ang molarity is N over V, right? N over V, N over V, N over V. So, if we solve that, ayan na. We have Kc na for this. Kasi Kc is the reaction quotient at equilibrium. Ayan. Ito. 0.347 ito. Tapos ito, 1.2, 1.2. If we simplify, then we'll get this. Tapos Kp raw. Delta N gas, let's examine. H2 plus I2, 2HI, right? Ang 2HI, yan na, 2 minus 1 plus 1. It's 0. So, di ba ang Kp equals Kc RT raised to delta N gas, di ba? Wala na yan. Kasi nga 0 eh. So, walang effect, no? Kp equals Kc. Nagets ba, guys? Hindi natin kinailangan tignan yung yung direction ng reaction kasi sinabi na sa atin explicitly na our reaction is in equilibrium. Okay? Gets ba, guys? Before I continue,
Gets naman, sir.
okay, sige. Now, let's move on. Ito naman. Ayan. Okay, ito na. Sige. Next, ha? Look at the PowerPoint na lang. I'm going to write sa board, ha? Okay, so let's look at the board, ha? First step, right? QC. H2, so kabaliktaran na ng kanina, di ba? I2 over HI squared. Next, I stable. Sige. Ice. Yan. H2. Take out your process, guys, ha? Kasi para di tayo malito. Next. Initial. Let's look at the initial. Ang binigay na ng initial dyan ay HI gas. So, yun lang. 0.2 mole over volume, 2 liters. Etong H2 wala, I2 wala. Kasi wala naman sinabi, right? Yan. Kapag ganito, yung reactant lang yung meron, or kaya product lang yung meron, we are sure kung saan magpo-proceed yung reaction. For this case, it would go to the right lang, no? Kasi reactant lang yung meron tayo, di ba? Sige. Next, change. 2, di ba? 2. If we're going to think of it, yung change nito is 2x, xx. Kasi twice nito. twice rin ito. Okay? Next. O babawasan to, madadagdagan to. Bakit? Kasi, the reaction goes to the right. So, negative to, positive to. Kasi nadadagdagan yung mga yon. Nagets yun, guys? Before I continue, nagets naman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Next. Ito na. Equilibrium. Simplify ko to. Simplify ko to. Ito ay 0.1 m. 0.1, i-add nyo to. Right? Yan yung lalabas. Next, before we do anything else, at equilibrium, HI equals 0.078. Ayan. So, we have our unknown. Hinahanap natin ganong karami nag-change, di ba? Para mahanap natin itong mga to. So, dahil meron tayong equilibrium concentration na given dyan, HI EQ equals 0.078 equals 0.1 minus 2x. If we solve for that, 0.2x equals 0.022, x equals 0.011. Tama ba ako? Yes, tama ako. Next. Ayun na. So, replacing this, ito na. We have our new things. Equilibrium constant is this one. Right? Yan. So, substituting, QC equals to H2 times I2, 0.011, 0.011, over HI squared, 0.078 squared. If we get the answer, that is, let's see if tama ako. Tama ako. 0.020. Ayan. Nagets ba, guys? Gets naman?
It's naman, sir.
Okay, sige. Let's see, I'll try to test you. Sige nga. Try nyo nga to. I'm just interested. Kapag nakuha nyo na yung ice table nyo, I want you to send it sa GC. Okay? Get the ice table first, then tsaka tayo mag-solve. Okay? Sige. Ice table muna. Game. Dali. 30 seconds lang yan. Ice table muna, ice table before we continue. Kapag pressure, ito, clue. You don't have to convert to molar, okay? Diretso na yan pag pressure most of the time, okay? Sige. Kasi, we can express naman yung equilibrium constant as Kp or Qp. I'll prepare my ice table na para diretso tayo. Sige, for the rest of our meeting, ito na lang yung mga gagawin natin. Mga puro ganito na. This is the most important part. Nakang grade 10, actually. Sige, tama. Interesting din to. Yan! Good job! Okay, good job, good job. Sige, let's wait for the others, ha? Para sure akong gets nyo. Sige. Yan! Good job! Okay. Sige. Yung mga nakagawa ng ice table, hindi, sige, let's wait for everyone. Pero sige, yung mga tapos na sa ice table, I'm sure kaya nyo na isolve yung problem eh. Sige, go, continue. Pero I want everyone to show me their ice table before they solve it. Okay? Sige, let's go. 5 minutes more. Some things to note. Ang graphite, carbon graphite, is a solid. So from the start, no, if we look at your classmates' tables, they disregarded it at all. Oo, tama. Kasi, solid yun eh. Kapag solid, di siya kasama sa equilibrium. Di ba? Sabi ko kanina. Ayun. So, tama yung mga ginagawa nyo. Sige, go. Yung others, I want to see your ice table. Then, yung mga tapos na sa ice table, go. Continue. So, I'm sure kaya nyo na yan. Galing nyo, guys. Go, go, go. Over. Teka, let's see ah. Ano ba hanap ko? KP. Oh, take note ha, KP lang yung hanap ko. Double check mo, double check. I'm sure malapit ka na. Tama yan, Manuel. Good job. Ano ba lalabas dyan? 0.233 over 0.233. Pag nasagutan nyo to ng tama, kayang-kaya na yung iba. Let's go. 0.233 over. Okay, good job, Megan. Sige. Let's see, hindi mo eh, hindi talaga. Sige, what did you get as X? What did you... Ayan! Ito. Tama. Good job. Baka na-careless ka sa pag-calculate ng product. Try again. Check your QP. si Jeremy walang scratch, no? Sige, it's fine. Sige, I'll wait for her. Okay. I'm sorry. Sige. It's fine. Sige. Yung iba, sige, go. Sino na lang ba walang ice table? Lahat kayo may ice table na, no? Okay, answer na lang. What's your answer sa dulo? Before we discuss together. This is tama ito. Job. Tama yan. Okay? Galing niya. Wow. Yan. There you go. Yan. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yan. Ingat lang ha. Actually, ito yung mahirap dito eh. Minsan, nakakalito yung pag-type, no? Sige. Yun na lang ba yung problems natin tungkol dito? Let's see ah. Minutes na ba tayo? 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Sige. Let's see how much we have left. Sino na lang ba? Si Manuel. Sige. Okay. Lahat ba kayo may sagot na? 1, 2, 3. Si Jeremy na lang. Let's wait for Jeremy. 4. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, sige, let's discuss for a bit before we continue to our to a few more problems. Okay, sige. Ganito. Teka. Switch. Sige. As you see, our ice table is like this, di ba? Ayan, wala yung graphite kasi solid siya. So, hindi siya kasama sa reaction. That's good. Good job. At least gets yung concept natin. That's good. Okay. Ano yung given? Equilibrium, ay total pressure in equilibrium. Total pressure. So, pag total pressure, so, ganito. Total pressure, 0.458 minus x plus 2x equals 0.757. If we get x equals 0.299, then solve for QP, which is also equal to KP, equals to CO squared. Ito, 2 times 0.299 squared over ito, which is 2.25. Good job. Good job, good job. At least gets nyo. Ang galing. Ang galing nyo, guys. Okay. Sige nga. Kaya nyo na to eh. Okay, game. Um, sige, for the next one, sige, kayo ulit. Kasi kaya nyo naman eh. Yan. Oh! Ganun ulit. Um, ganun ulit. Show me your eyes table. Pag nakagawa na kayo, then proceed to solve the problem. Ito. Di ba may solve function kayo sa CalQ? Ayan na. Don't forget na, you can use that. Okay? Yun lang. Mamaya, I'm gonna show you rin kung paano. Let's see, Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Tama. Sige. Go. Proceed. Proceed na. Okay. Sige. Let's proceed. Yan. Sige. Okay. Sige, it's okay, Jeremy, pag it's okay, kahit di mo na type yung ice table. Sige. I can, ano naman. Sige, go. Proceed to solving na lang. Hmm, teka ha. Wait lang, I'll check. Oh, 1.11, let's see. Ano yung tanong? Read the question ulit ha. What is the composition of the equilibrium mixture? So it's asking for the concentrations of all your elements at equilibrium. Okay? Sige. Pero tama ito. Tama ito. Ano lang, kulang pa yung sagot. That's good. Okay. Good job. I'll just put my... Okay. Good job. Okay. Sige. Let's wait for Manuel. Then let's discuss this one. Okay. Galing. Sige. Galing nyo guys. Okay. So, sige, let's discuss. Ay, si Jeremy pa pala. Go, go, go. I have 10 minutes na lang kasi. Uh, okay. Good job. Sige, let's discuss. Ganito. Ice table. Nakuha nyo naman lahat to. QC equals this one. Ayan. Tapos, pag sinol function nyo, ganyan. Okay, ganyan dapat. Pag nilagay nyo sa ilalim yung 2 minus x squared, baka hindi kayanin ng calcu. Okay, next. Anong value ng x yung maganda? Siyempre, kapag nag-negative yung isa dyan, hindi pwede yun. Okay? Ayan. So, ito. 1.11 m ang x. Ayan. 1.11, 1.11.89.89. Good job. Galing nyo, guys. Sige. I'll take care of this last item. Kasi we have a little... Okay, ito. Skip this. Okay, ito. Ito. Sige. Just read the PowerPoint. I'll just create the ice table for this. So, ito medyo mahaba-haba ito. So, H4. Ice. Teka, isa pa nga. Ice. CH4. 2H2S. CS2. 4H2. 1 mole. 1 over 0.25. So it's equal to 4. 2H2S is this. 2 mole H2S. 2 over 0.25 equals to 8. CS2. 1 mole over 0.25 equals 4 ulit. And lastly, 2 moles H2. So, 2 moles over 0.25 equals to 8. Okay. Now we have that. Pero before that, meron tayong importanteng kailangan gawin. Okay. Ito muna. Before that, kailangan natin determine kung saan magdadaan yung reaction. Kasi, lahat meron na. Lahat meron, di ba? Lahat merong concentration. So, let's get QC. QC equals to H2 raised to 4 times CS2 over H2S squared times CH4. We will get that it's around, kasi meron tayo 4, 8, 4, 8. We'll get around 64. Obviously, Q is greater than K. Therefore, our reaction will proceed to the left. Tama? To the left ang reaction. Towards reactants. Kasi masyado marami yung product side natin. So, what does that entail? Minus x minus 4x plus 2x x. Ayan. Kita nyo? So, from here, di ba dati, nasa left parati yung natatanggalan. Ngayon, baliktad. Sa right naman tayo tatanggal. Kasi nga, QC is greater than KC. Kaya, doon importante, doon pumapasok yung sinasabi ko kanina na, get QC and compare it to KC. If merong concentrations yung both product and reactant side. So, doing this, tapos ang hinahanap lang natin at equilibrium. So meron na tayo nung CH4, right? So ito lang, CH4 equals to 5.56. X equals 1.56. 11.12 2.44 and 1.76. Ayan. Simpleng-simple, di ba? Ayan. There we go. So that finishes our lesson. And lastly, Le Chatelier's principle. Conceptual. Okay? Conceptual tayo ngayon. Konti na lang, guys. So for this, Le Chatelier's principle. A disturbance to the reaction in equilibrium has implications on the reaction direction. So, we're examining yung reaction na nasa equilibrium na. So, yan. So, what happens if we change a concentration? Obvious naman to. So, example, if a product is added, syempre, if a product is added, to the right yan. If a product, kasi kailangan mag-balance, di ba? Ganun din. If a product is removed, mababawasan to. So, kailangan natin madagdagan yung reactant. Ay, sorry. Ay, tama. If a reactant is removed, kailangan madagdagan ito, yung left side. Kaya, shift to the left. Okay? Kapag naman dinagdagan natin yung product, masyado na maraming product, kailangan mag-shift siya to the left. Okay? Effect of change in pressure or volume. Actually guys, kahit di ko na discuss sa inyo, kasi kailangan nyo lang isipin what will happen talaga. Ganun lang siya. If the volume becomes smaller, the reaction shifts so that the number of gas molecules decreases. If the volume becomes larger or pressure is lower, the reaction shifts towards the total number of kung saan mas maraming gas. I'll show you an example. So, sige, ito siya at equilibrium, di ba? Kapag binawasan natin yung volume, tataas yung pressure, di ba? So, kailangan magkasya yung mga gas. So, pupunta siya sa less moles. Di ba ito 2 moles yan? Ito 1 mole lang. Doon siya pupunta. Okay? Pag doon baliktad. Higher volume, lower P. So, mas kasya na ang maraming gas. So, doon na siya papunta. Di ba? Sa mas marami moles of gas. Effect of change in temperature. No need to memorize that. Basta alam natin, a temperature rise will increase Kc for a system with endothermic reaction. A temperature rise will decrease Kc for for exothermic reaction. Okay? Ito lang yung nag-a-affect ng Kc sa lahat ng mga diniscuss natin. Because of this Van 't Hoff equation. Pero you don't need to memorize that for now. Tapos, a temperature rise will favor towards absorption of heat. Naalala niyo yung sabi ko sa inyo dati about heat as a product or reactant? Ganun siya. So, if rise of temperature happens, kapag endothermic, so mas dadami yung reactant kasi mag-absorb siya ng heat. Kapag naman exothermic pero tumaas yung temperature, baliktad. Adding a catalyst has no effect on K or equilibrium reaction position. Only speeds up the reaction. So this one is the summary. Sige nga, let's see. Letter A, H2O if O2 is added. Siyempre, dadagdagan yung H2O. Right? Kasi kailangan nito pumunta doon. O2 if H2S is removed. Let's see kailangan dahil tinanggalan natin ang H2S, so syempre, eto rin, mababawasan din yan. Ay? Sorry. Isa pa. Hindi ako nang tingin. H2O if O2 is added. So, dinagdagan natin yung reactant, dadami rin yung product. H2S if O2 is added. So, dinamihan natin to. Kailangan na siya pumunta dito, di ba? So, mababawasan to, decrease. O2 if H2S is removed. So, syempre, binawasan natin to. Kailangan dumagdag dito, pumunta dito yung reaction. Madadagdagan. H2S is sulfur is added. Solid. No effect. Okay? Ayan. I hope gets nyo. Sige, ito. Try nga natin. Letter A, letter B, letter C. Increase, decrease, no effect. Put your answer sa group chat. Dali, 1 minute lang to. Ang galing! Good job! So, itong Le Chatelier's principle, example, nagsasolve kayo ng mga equilibrium problem. So, nevertheless, dapat ma-estimate nyo kung mababawasan ba kung ano yung tamang values for your stuff. Kasi alam nating baka mabawasan or madagdagan yung mga concentration natin or pressure. Depende sa problem, no? Ayan. You go. Last 2 items na to, then we end our session for today. Good job. Okay. Sige, tama kayo lahat. Sige, let's discuss. So, increase of, how would you change the volume for each of the to increase the yield of the products? So, pag in-increase natin yung volume nito, pupunta sa mas marami dito. Okay, that's good. Dito naman, kailangan siya papunta sa left, no? So, kailangan mo decrease yung volume. And dito, dahil pareho lang ng moles, walang effect. No? Dito sa last one, ako na, sige. I'll take point. So, sa letter A, increase in temperature, exothermic reaction. So, nandito yung heat, no? So, magde-decrease to kasi dinagdagan natin yung heat. And at the same time, K is decreased. Next, ito, for endothermic reaction, nandito yung heat sa kabila. So, pag dinagdagan natin to ng heat, pupunta doon yung reaction. So, madagdagan to and Kc would increase din at the same time. Lastly, ganun din for SO2, nandito yung heat, dinagdagan natin ng heat, so doon pupunta yung reaction, mababawasan to, pero dahil endothermic reaction siya, tataas yung K. Okay? Sige. Ito, that's all for today. Sorry guys, pero kasi maganda yung progress nyo for today. So I don't want na mawala 'yan. If you don't mind, ganun ulit, katulad sa math, I'll give you required homework ulit. 5 items na naman to, para lang I'm sure na hindi nyo malimutan. Okay, I'm just gonna type it out. Slides. I'm going to post this din naman. 88 to 92. 88 to 92. Slides 88 to 92. For next Friday. Para lang hindi nyo malimutan. Kasi next Friday, we'll do more of this. Okay? O, yun lang guys. Sige, maraming salamat. We're done for today. Sige. Bye-bye. Okay na tayo guys. Bye-bye.